Now that we have our sensor calibrated, session started, and have taken our first swing, let's have a look at what we're measuring in this mode and how to understand the data. The Clubface Control mode focuses on your wrist's flexion extension, which is responsible for opening and closing the club face. By learning to control the amount of extension, you can learn to control the club face. So let's have a look at our Clubface Control mode and see what we can do here. The app provides us with two main metrics that we should focus on, the backswing and the downswing, as well as three additional values for our swing positions, the address, the top, and the impact. The backswing metric measures how much your extension changed from the address position to the top of your swing, and then the app simply calculates the difference between these two positions. The more your extension changes, the harder it is to control your club face. The same logic applies to the downswing metric, which calculates the difference in your wrist's extension between the start of your swing, the address, and the end of your swing, the impact. Usually, good players decrease their amount of extension considerably. And all of this is backed by data. To provide the recommended range, we have analyzed multiple tour players' swing data and came up with these results. For backswing, that range is -10 to +5 degrees, so approximately the same as address, or a bit more flexed. For the downswing, it's -30 to -15 degrees, quite a bit more flexed than at address. Below these two metrics, you can view your flexion data on your swing positions, the address, top, and impact, to better understand how the backswing and downswing metrics were calculated. So let's say that I hit a shot with a downswing of -10, so that's obviously outside the range. So in order to understand what I need to do to get in the range, I can look at the positional data and remember how the downswing metric is calculated. We get the downswing value by taking your impact position and then subtracting the address position. If I want to get in the range, I have to make sure that my value gets more negative. I can achieve that by either decreasing the flexion of the address position or by increasing the flexion for the impact position. One way to increase your flexion and impact is to try the motorcycle drill and see if that helps in getting the appropriate extension and impact. The same logic can also be applied for the backswing. Depending on which direction you need to go, simply adjust the flexion at the top. If you're adding too much extension, try to flex the wrist at the top using the motorcycle drill. And that's basically all you need to know to start measuring Clubface Control mode. Play around with your downswing and backswing metrics, adjust your flexion at impact and top positions, and see if you can get in the range. Thanks for watching.